Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for an affordable and long-lasting pen, I want to show you this BIC round stick pen. These are the Xtra Life pens and they have a very long writing time. And what's great about these pens is that they are super affordable. You can buy them in bulk, large packages. So this is perfect if you run a business or you're in an office environment and you're always looking for pens because let's face it, pens tend to walk away. So you need to have a lot of them, especially in a work environment. So what I like about these pens is that they are flexible. So they're really comfortable to write with and they definitely have a nice sharp line. It writes super smooth and the ink flows very nicely. So this is the medium. So this is a 1mm pen. And I just really appreciate that these pens are very consistent and they never let you down. So if you're looking for some consistent everyday pens for your office or home environment, definitely check out these from BIC. I really like them, and that is my point of view.